Bismillah. Okay, I'm eagerly excited to know about you. Tell me about yourself.
My name is Mohammad Fateh Naved Sayyad. I am 11 years old. My school name is St. John Convent High School.
Your school name is
St.
St.
John
John
Convent.
Convent High School. Okay, yeah, I think it's yeah, I know this. Yes.
I am studying in 6th standard.
Okay.
My favorite subject is history.
Okay, you can stop now. Just wait. Uh, would you mind telling me about your father, or tell me about your father's daily routine?
My father daily routine. My
Okay.
father wakes up at 7 o'clock. Then he brushes her teeth.
He brushes her teeth or he brushes his teeth? Come on, you can do it. He brushes
His teeth.
his teeth, right?
He brushes his teeth.
Yes, you're right.
Take then he takes bath.
Right.
After that she ready to go. After that he ready to go
He gets
office.
ready to go to office, right? Continue. Very good.
He come
He come or he comes.
he come
Right, he
he
comes.
comes at 7 o'clock. Then my mother
Gives him
gives him
right
lunch.
lunch or dinner, because your father comes at 7 o'clock evening, right? He comes at 7 in the evening. So your mother gives lunch or dinner? Lunch.
Dinner.
Okay, dinner, right? Okay, fine. After that,
After that he
he yes.
spends my with my
So your father, my father,
spend with my
okay, my father spends time with my family, with my sister and my mother. Okay.
yes.
Does your father watch YouTube videos?
Yes, my father watches YouTube video.
Okay. When does your father go to bed?
My father goes to bed at 7 o'clock.
Okay, I'm curious to know about your daily routine. Tell me about your daily routine. Tell me.
I am wakes up at 6 o'clock and I brush my teeth, then take bath. After that I eat breakfast.
We pronounce break first. Okay? Breakfast.
Breakfast. Then I ready to go school. After returning home, I eat lunch.
Eat lunch. It is better if you say I take lunch. Okay?
I take lunch.
Very good. You are doing good.
After that, I go to class. I go to the classes
Okay.
and
And return at.
return at 7 o'clock.
Okay, fine. Uh, when do you take your dinner?
I take dinner at 10 o'clock.
When does your father, I'm really curious, when does your father take dinner?
7 o'clock.
My father.
My father take dinner at 7 o'clock.
What about your mother? When does she take dinner?
She take dinner at 11 o'clock.
Does your father speak English at home?
Yes, my father speaks English at home.
What language does your mother speak at home?
My mother speaks Urdu at home.
Right. Does your father have a car?
Yes, my father have a car.
My father, single person
Has.
we use, has a
Has
car,
a
right?
car.
Do you have a car?
Yes, I have a car.
Does your mother have a laptop?
Yes, my mother has a laptop.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay. Does your mother have a Bugatti?
No, my mother does
My
not
mother-
have
Yes.
Bugatti.
Uh, does your father have an aeroplane?
No, my father does not have
It means you understand. Okay, right. Very good. Do you have a pencil?
Yes, I have a pencil.
Do you have a computer?
No, does not.
I do not.
I don't have pencil.
Does your mother have a car?
Yes, my mother have a car.
Okay, thank you so much. You have done. Were you busy yesterday?
Yes, I busy yesterday.
I.
Was busy yesterday.
Are you busy now?
No, I am not busy now.
Am I a teacher?
Yes, you are a teacher.
Were you busy yesterday?
Yes, I was busy yesterday.
Okay, fine. Thank you. Thank you for coming and